Hello from Slovenia again. Today I will do some purple pink flower kind of on this sky blue light background, and I hope that I have enough paint. I painted my canvas with this sky blue light color already, so I don't need to bother about my sides. You see that it's a little different than the background because my pouring medium is white when it's wet, but it dries clear and glossy. So that's why this looks a little different, so it will dry like it was before I poured this on. So yesterday in my life I used some purples and yellows, and some of paintings went okay, some of them don't, but I decided that I will experiment more with these different backgrounds, because sometimes it's just nice to do different backgrounds than black and white. And I did the red one that I ruined because I put it in the place that it was not leveled. So those who pour, you know that you have to put your painting on total leveled surface if you don't want that your paint will flow to the one side of the canvas. But this is happening too in our pouring world. Sometimes it looks so easy to just pour some paints on canvas and get something nice, but it's a lot of work behind the scenes, or how can I say that? You have to have surface to store your paints, it has to be leveled, and a lot of things, not just pouring some paint on canvas. Sometimes we pouring artists hear that comments, this is not art, you just pour some paint on. But it's not, because it takes a lot of experimentation to get your consistencies right and to figure out how to do certain things. Yes, you can just pour some paint on canvas, but if you want, I have something in here. I don't know, I will not talk about it. I will just pour. People have all right to have to think about our art that way, but I know that I put a lot of work in my art, and I consider this art because I'm expressing something with it, so let's go with this. I will put again all my colors in the description so you can check this. I will start with pearl white, And next will be dioxazine purple. I'm going for kind of a girly flower today, I think. And a touch of pearl white again. And quinacridone magenta. And a touch of pearl white again. And cobalt violet light. I really like this cobalt violet light. I didn't like it before, but now I really like it. Touch of pearl white again, just to get some lacing between, and this is light gold. Drip. And I will go once more. Pearl white. And dioxazine purple. I'm not that girly person, but sometimes I love to do these girly colors. Pearl white again. Magenta. This is quinacridone magenta. It's a little different than just magenta. I love this one more. Pearl white again. And cobalt violet. Light. This color dries so beautiful. It has some kind of a glow that I really like. And pearl white again. And gold, and then we will switch our cup. These are flower-shaped desert cups. No desert, dessert. Sorry guys. I will bring you a little closer. I constantly say desert, not dessert. But you know what I mean. You can find them on Amazon. I bought it here in Slovenia, so I can't put you a link where I buy them, because it will not help you at all. Let's draw some lines just to bring out some colors. And let's start again with pearl white and dioxazine. And when I do this cup bottom, bottle bottom, my paints are a little thinner than I use it for my regular spiral flower dips or something, so they are a little thinner, but still not thin thin. So as you can see, it leaves a little mound and disappears. And cobalt. White. And no, gold. Oh, maybe I should add the dioxazine here, because she just... Let's do that. Let's add dioxazine here into the middle to have maybe darker middle this time. Let's see what will happen. And this will be it. Just wipe this thing here a little bit. And now we will bring some of this purple to the middle. I hope so. Oops, I didn't wipe my stick enough. It's so cute. Sorry for the glare. I will spray my paper napkin with water now, and then we will dip it. I know that a lot of people like this mandala kind of look, but this one I want to dip. And maybe I will do another one without reverse dip. Place my paper napkin down on one side first. And let's go to the other side. I ordered some of these larger push pens. I hope that I will get them soon, because I really don't like these small ones, because they are, I don't know, they are not stable like the big ones. Okay. I will take down my gloves for this part, because I have more control, I think. Because I'm kind of struggling lately with lifting part. I know that it doesn't have to be perfect, but still I want to lift it in certain way, and I'm just struggling with this part. I don't know why. I will see if it will help if I will do this without the gloves on. You see? Again, I just can't lift my paper towel evenly lately, so it will have a bug again. Like one of my viewers said, that it looks like a bug. It ate up some petals and it really looks like it. Let's torch this. I love it. Just looking if I want to bring just a little something into this middle part, and I think that I'm done. So let me take you for a close-up. Sorry, as I already said, my camera doesn't have a pause button, unfortunately. So, what do you think? I think that it's was a good idea to add this dioxazine here in the middle, or I don't know, I like it, and I really love all this lacing and cells and the little blue here in the middle. See these petals here, just gorgeous. And I didn't lose all my gold, so I'm happy with this too. You see how this cobalt looks even now when it's wet. It gives a little, I don't know, shine to it. I just love this part here. Gorgeous lacing here, you see? Hope that you do, that I'm not too close. So, again, it's not perfect, like nothing is. I don't know. This way it looks so weird. I have to watch my videos and figure out what I'm doing, that I'm constantly getting this eaten petals effect. So I hope that I will figure out. See this blue here in the middle? I love it. So tell me what you think. Maybe you see what I'm doing wrong. Tell me in comments if you do. So this is it for today, and see you on the next one. Bye!